So the first item that I got is from Nike. And super kinikilig ako doon. Okay, good morning guys. Today is another day. Ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? We're gonna look for gifts today. As much as possible, dapat mabili ko na lahat today kasi mag-film kami tomorrow. By the way, I got this shirt from Lazada lang. I will link it below. Ang cute niya. Nakalagay lang, Morning Club. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. Hindi pa gumagana yung utak ko, guys. Kasi nagpuyat ako kagabi. I slept around 3 a.m. because I was watching Hidden Love on Netflix. And super kinikilig ako doon. Every after episode, sabi ko last na, pero wala. Napapa next episode ako. Very light drama lang siya. Like, if gusto niyo lang kiligin. Last series ko ata, I think last month pa. Or last month. Hindi ko sure. Ang bilis ko kasi mabore na if nanonood ng series. Kapag hindi ako na-hook sa first part, di ko na siya itutuloy. But this time, yung Hidden Love kasi super cute na lang. Like, kikiligin ka lang. Ganun lang siyang drama. Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip masyado. I'm gonna have breakfast now. And after that, I'm gonna get ready because I have to buy some gifts for my family. Let's go. I got my breakfast! Yay! Hidden Love yan, guys. Yung pinapanood ko. Let's eat.
就是之前我不是对你的感激之情。
加上前方的。
It's currently 12:43 p.m. Around 8 a.m. ako nagising pero mga 10 na ako bumangon. I know, hindi din ako proud. So, bukas, I'll try my best to wake up early and like ilagay sa malayo yung phone ko para hindi ako makapag-stay ng matagal sa bed. Anyway, let's do my makeup, my very quick everyday makeup routine. Ito din yung ginagawa ko whenever I'm going to the campus. I feel like I wanna chill at a cafe and like plan my 2024 and kind of like organize my life. By the way, I used this Dalba First Spray Serum. You guys know I love a glowy look and if you're an OG, feeling ko lagi nyo na ito nakikita sa vlog ko. I always apply this before my makeup. Gives you that radiant glow. So meron kayong good base to start. Ayan. Anyway, speaking of 2024, I feel like I have a lot of plans. Like, I want to go back to the gym and maging consistent na talaga. Like, this time with a trainer, hopefully. I feel like kasi masiseryosohin ko yung pag-gym kapag may trainer na ako. And if napanood nyo yung family exchange gift namin, ang wishlist ko doon is gym membership. Hopefully, maseryoso ko na talaga siya. And I feel like I want to focus more this time sa muscles. Gusto ko maging stronger or healthier. Magkaroon ng tamang form. Ganon. And if you guys have been following me, you would know na nagpapapayat ako before. Pero I feel like sumobra na yung pagpapapayat ko to the point na parang hindi na siya mukhang healthy tingnan. So that is something na I want to fix next year. Hopefully may time rin ako na masiksik yung gym every single day. No, not every day, but siguro 5 times a week. Hopefully. Time for blush. I got this new Get Ready With Me milk tint. I have a cool undertone, so perfect lang sa akin yung mga gantong color. I like applying this sa medyo taas ng cheekbones para medyo lifted yung look. I can't live without blushes. Feeling ko sila yung nagdadala ng buong look. Parang ang kapal dyan sa camera. Wait, okay naman siya in real life. So, blend ko na lang with a sponge. My favorite part, if meron kang excess blush, put it on top of your nose. Para kunwari, nagbablush kayo pa ganun. Pero like super konti lang. Anyway, back to my 2024 resolution. I feel like next year also, I wanna continue studying Hangul. So usually before, I would use my free time to study Hangul. But since I had a lot of readings last term, yung free time ko na yun, parang tinulog ko na lang. Or like nag-edit na lang ako, nag-film. Like online class din siya, so it felt like I'm still studying. I did not apply any mascara na kasi I was able to apply this last night. Itong mga falsies. I got this from Lazada and never na ako nag-apply na mascara after natutunan ko maglagay ng ganito. So, yan. Oh my gosh, umaaraw na guys. Anyway, for my lips, I'm just gonna apply this one from Bare & Bliss. And I still have the gloss na in-apply ko kanina. Pinatong ko na lang to. That gloss is from Tokobo, the lip mask. Okay, now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna set it again with this Dalba First Spray Serum. This is an all-in-one spray serum. So basically, toner siya. It's a serum, it's a mist, and right now, I'm gonna use it as a setting spray. This works well as a setting spray, I swear. Ayan, I'm gonna let it sit first, but I just wanna say na feeling ko if wala pa kayo nito sa makeup or skincare collection nyo, you're definitely missing out kasi I swear super worth it niya. Again, this is like my 3rd or 4th bottle. I actually have a new one kasi medyo paubos na din tong bottle na to, so I ordered a new one just in case maubusan ako. So ito siya pag in-order nyo. So meron siyang Italian white truffle extract and yun yung nakaka-help talaga para mag-improve yung skin elasticity nyo. Personally, I have sensitive skin pero wala akong naging problem with this. This is suitable for all skin types. This is so convenient to use. I always bring this with me if aalis ako kasi pwede din siyang pang touch up, ganon. Plus, super bango niya talaga, guys. So, ayan yung skin ko after I apply it. Many vloggers that I watch like Ate Raisa Contawi, Ate Ray, they all use this product. Ako, hindi talaga ako nagsasabi ng holy grail when it comes to makeup or skincare. Pero since last year ko pa to ginagamit, so you guys know na it's a holy grail product talaga for me. I'm pretty sure meron isang year-end sale. Since I'm uploading this before the new year, grab the opportunity and get yourself this Dalba First Spray Serum. I swear, hindi kayo magsisisi, guys. So yeah, that's it for my makeup. I'll see you guys later. I forgot to mention na I will be giving away 20 bottles na itong Dalba First Spray Serum. There will be 20 winners. I will leave all the rules sa description box. For sure, super dali lang nun. Good luck, guys! This is so cute, you guys. Parang gusto ko na to. Matcha break, guys. Pagod ako kakalakad kasi galing ako IKEA and malayo kasi yun. Hindi mo malayo, pero medyo malayo sa mall. Dumaan muna ako ng Muji. Try ko tong matcha nila. Okay, so update. Kakabalik ko lang from the mall. It's currently 7:31 and hit pala ako mag-wrap ng presents. And mamaya na ako yung mag-gift giving. So, bibilisan ko na yung pag-wrap ko. Actually, kakabili ko lang din ng mga wrappers. Ito, nabili ko sa National Bookstore. This one is from Flying Tiger. Yan, super cute ng design na to. Una, ito lang yung binili ko. Sabi ko, parang plain niya lang. Tapos yung iba din is like super colorful and parang hindi siya vibe. So, ang cute niya kasi parang brown, like craft paper, ganun. First gift is done kasi paper bag lang siya. These are my small gifts for my siblings kasi na-mention nila na gusto nilang gumawa ng ganito. Last month, pwede namin sila gawin here. Itong mga box kasi sila yung madaling i-wrap. Alright, so in-unbox ko kasi itong Sunnies. Ito yung gift sa akin ni ate. I figured why not, I'll share with you guys also the things that I got this Christmas. Tulad na to, at din yung mga nabili namin nung nasa Malaysia kami. So, isasama ko na rin. Siguro I'll start with this one kasi I'm so excited na magamit na to. So, the first item that I got is from Nike. I got this during our last day sa Malaysia. So, ayan yung design niya. I'm so excited to style these. Ako kasi, I rarely buy shoes. Pero if like may nabili na ako, for example, yung Sambas ko, as in non-stop ko siyang susuotin. Everyday ko siya susuotin until like parang maluma na siya. Or like medyo madumi na siya, tapos tsaka ulit ako bibili. Anyway, speaking of shoes, I got myself some new running shoes from New Balance. Kailangan ko ng running shoes for PE, ganon, sa school, sa Taft. Lagi kong ginagamit before using New Balance na 550s. Na-torture ko na yung shoes na yon. So sabi ko, okay, I'll buy a new one. I think this is my first pair of like gray shoes. Kasi I usually buy black or white. I'll use this for my PE class sa Taft. Or kung mag-gym man ako, ito na din yung gagamitin ko. So yeah, and it's very comfortable nung na-try ko siya sa Malaysia. From Malaysia also, this is from the brand Jelly Bunny. Yung mom ko kasi super hilig niya yung Jelly Bunny. So when we visited the outlet store, nakita ko to and super nice niya. It reminds me of Evelyn Hugo. Sabi ko, wala rin ako parang statement sandals. Alam mo yung parang pop of color lang. Very cute to with like a long black dress, kaya white dress, basta super cute niya and ang nice din ang quality niya. So, yeah, I got this. And this one from Malaysia also, I got myself a pair of white heels. Kasi wala pa akong white heels pala, guys. And sa mga events kasi, kailangan namin siya minsan. So, this is the heels that I got. Ito actually sinuot ko nung birthday ko, guys. And let me tell you, super, super comfortable niya. Para lang ako naka-flat shoes or ballet shoes. No regrets. I thought na hindi ako makakapag-party-party nung birthday ko kasi nga naka-heels ako. But surprisingly, super comfortable na to. Gusto ko nga bumalik ng Malaysia para lang bumili ng mga heels doon. Kasi super, super nice. And yung design niya, ang ganda din. Also, guys, I got myself this Charlotte Tilbury na powder from Sephora. This is something na gustong-gusto ko talaga matry kasi super daming good reviews about this. So, finally, I have it. Ayan siya, guys. The packaging looks so nice and I got the shade Fair. I'm so excited to use this every day kasi nabasag din yung powder na ginagamit ko from EC. Another present from myself. I got this bag from Urban Revival. When I was shopping for my mom, I saw this bag and like super nakitan ako. Kasi guys, look at this! It's just this small white sling bag and may nakalagay na card dyan. It looks so good, guys, as in, and so perfect to for everyday kasi I really like small bags. Imagine nyo, like, suot nyo to with a pair of jeans and marami ka naman malalagay sa loob. Like, ayan. Perfect lang for everyday. And hindi din siya mahirap pagayan. And if napanood nyo na yung family exchange gift namin, may kita nyo na doon yung mga ibang items na nakuha ko. So, feeling ko, bibilisan ko na lang sila. Like, run through lang ng mga nakuha ko from them. So, first is from my sister. This is a bag from Uniqlo. Ayan. Actually, she got the black one na. Matchy-matchy kami with this. And then from my dad, I got some chargers. Yung mga wishlist ko kasi, guys, this year, yung mga need ko talaga. So, isa na doon yung mga chargers. Kasi namamahalan ako sa kanila. Ito, like 3K na to. So, kung parang hindi worth it bilhin. Tapos, ito, 1.8. Nearly 5K for my laptop charger. So, sabi ko, parang, why not i-wishlist ko na lang siya? So, my dad got it for me. Super, super happy ko nung nakuha ko to, guys. As in, you guys have no idea. From my mom, I got some bath bomb. Ayan. So, this is just from Lush. And super bango niya, guys. Excited na ako mag-bathtub. Super bango, guys. As in, I wish na naaamoy nyo siya. And ako, I really like stuff na mabango. Like candles, perfumes, and bath bombs, body washes. Like, super love ko bumili ng mga ganon. So, thank you so much, Mommy. From Casey, I got this book. I'm so excited to read this. Kasi I think this is about feminism. So, thank you so much, Casey. My ate also got me some candles. Itong mini candles. Na nasa vlog namin. So, panoorin nyo yung Princess and Nicole video. And ito, guys. Oh my gosh. This is from Mirage Jewelry. I finally have my own gold bangle, guys. Oh my gosh. Most of my gold jewelry kasi galing lang siya kay mom. So, wala talaga ako yung sarili kong gold accessories. So, this is my first one. And ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda. Wala pa kasi ako sa age na nahihilig kong bumili ng gold or like mag-i-invest sa gold. And feeling ko nga, after this, parang na-enjoy ko na mag-collect ng gold talaga. So ayun, yun lang naman yung mga nakuha ko this Christmas. I know hindi sila super dami, pero I'm super thankful sa lahat na nakuha ko. So, maglilinis lang ako dito. I'm probably gonna chill after. So, yeah.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거야